29 forecast.
Well, we kicked off this Monday morning with dense fog in portions of the area. This is a time lapse from Pinnacles along Skyline Drive showing over the Shenandoah Valley. We had areas of reduced visibility, but watch as that strong June sun came up over the horizon, lifting the fog away. And now we're seeing some filtered sunshine here at the midday hour, and temperatures are pleasant, especially in the shade. It's a dry atmosphere. We have readings right now in the upper 60s to the mid 70s, so we're playing catch up now in the valley. After some of that fog has now finally lifted, the temperatures are now rising. We didn't have much fog over central Virginia, so we're already well into the mid 70s, on our way to the low 80s by around 3 to 4 p.m. More importantly, the dew point, the best direct measurement of how much moisture is available in the atmosphere, is on the low side. When you have dew points this time of the year in the 40s, that is a dry atmosphere. So it's a comfortable air mass. We're not dealing with the high heat and humidity that we normally have this time of the year. We're watching also a northwesterly airflow, at least aloft. That's going to keep us from getting too hot anytime soon. And there's a little weather disturbance in that northwesterly airflow, and that might give us a stray shower midweek. We can track that now on our rapid refresh high-res weather tracker. A few clouds in the sky, filtered sunshine. Expect a red sky sunset during the 8 o'clock hour tonight. And then tomorrow, northwesterly airflow aloft, bringing in a few clouds. Otherwise, some hazy sunshine, temperatures back in the low to mid 80s. And then on Wednesday, we'll watch a little weather disturbance pass by, but I am not impressed with our rain chances until perhaps a week from now. So we are dry for the most part through the weekend ahead. Maybe by a week from today, next Monday, that might be our next best chance to see some important rain and thunderstorms around here. In your Storm Team 29 report today, hazy sun, northeast breezes with highs in the upper 70s and the lower 80s, which is about on average for this time of the year, but a very dry air mass is in place, and that will allow for a quick drop in temperature after sunset. So expect mild days, cool, comfortable overnights. We can save on our cooling costs this time of the year. Could be as cool as the upper 40s in Harrisonburg tomorrow morning at daybreak, in the low and mid 50s for most of you over central Virginia. The average low this time of the year is in the low 60s, so we're above that. Highs tomorrow in the low to mid 80s from Charlottesville, Lake Monticello to Orange, and about 80, 81 for Harrisonburg, Stanton, Waynesboro. A high sunburn index this time of the year. 7-day forecast is a mainly dry outlook. Most of you will stay dry for the next 7 days. High temperatures a little bit below average, barely 80 on Thursday and Friday. It'll be fantastic for Fridays after 5 this week. And the weekend, we're going to warm back up, but still dry with highs in the mid to upper 80s. Jared?